have done in Memphis. Motel 6, interesting place, lots of how should we put it, characters, special people, but yeah, day 16 I think, it's all merging into one. I quite like Memphis. It's like a more subdued version of New Orleans. I actually preferred Beale Street to Bourbon Street. So plans for today, we're up super early, it's about 7:45, and you know, it takes about 45 minutes to get packed up. So doing well today, we're ahead of schedule and we don't actually have a long ride to do. So we're going to leave Memphis, we're heading for Nashville. We're going to take the direct route, which is literally just about 3 hours, so it's not too long at all. We'll blast out 3 hours to Nashville. We're only going to have one night in Nashville, we're going to have 2 nights. What we really want to do is, after one night in Nashville, we're going to get off and head to the Blue Ridge Mountains. And we just want to get out of the cities. We want to, you know, basically just relax for a couple of days. Just a little note to self, if the sun's out, remember to put your sunglasses on. Yeah, it's not the nicest driving directly into the sun first thing in the morning. I have remembered my suntan lotion on my face, finding we're getting a very unique tan line on this motorbike trip. We've made a really good time today. We've been driving for about 2 hours, but it's come that time again, after driving in a straight line, that I need a cheeky Red Bull. Food, gas left. Okay. Still, the tiredness comes. It's just a monotony of driving in a straight line for hours upon hours upon hours upon hours. Well, we're just at this service station still. Looks like Nashville's a place to be. All the hotels are fully booked in the city centre and even on the outskirts getting booked up, so yeah. Well, we'll be stuck here at the petrol station for about 40 minutes. The slight oversight on our part was it's Memorial Day weekend. So every single place we found in Nashville, fully booked. So we found somewhere just outside Nashville in a place called Brentwood. A little bit of a drive outside, but we were lucky to get that. Arrived in Brentwood, Tennessee, the extended stay America. It looks quite nice, but that's not saying much after staying at the Motel 6 yesterday. Car's on fire. Right, we've had a slight hiccup in our perfect plan. Unfortunately, because we've been so organised today, leaving so early, it's only 12:30 and check-in's not till 3 o'clock. So we've got 2.5 hours to kill, and we found a Triple D restaurant in a nearby town of Franklin called 55 South. Here's Franklin. Nice little town. Get some food. And here we have 55 South. It's just gooey cheese, yeah? Wow.
Or maybe a cheese sauce mix.
Cheesy, yeah.
Either way, it's a heart attack.
Yeah, for sure. This is going to kill you. That's really good.
It's tasty.
Yeah.
Very tasty.
I've got to say that the smoked brisket queso, probably one of my favourite starters. That is the Nashville what?
Hot chicken sandwich.
Hot chicken sandwich. And we have got some shrimp and grits. Busy trying to book us some musical event for tonight at the Grand Ole Opry. After 55 South, the Triple D restaurants. This is probably one of the better Triple D restaurants we've been to. We've been to some okay ones, some good ones, some great ones, and this is one of the great ones. So, 2 big thumbs up for 55 South. Yeah, highly recommend it. So we'll get the bikes, go back to the hotel, hopefully check in, and then it's time to check out Nashville. Being tall is pretty terrible on airplanes and travelling in most situations, but when it comes to reversing a Harley, it's always best to have long legs. Oh. The food was delicious, absolutely really good. So highly recommend 55 South for anybody in Franklin, and to be honest, Franklin itself, it's a beautiful little town. We were just saying it'd be a place to happily spend a night, you know, little bars, little restaurants, cute little town. We'll get to a hotel, drive back there, arrive for about 3 o'clock, check in, bit of a relaxed shower, and then we're going to head out to find the main drinking area around Nashville, check that out, and then a couple of hours out, and then we'll be heading straight to the Old Opry for, no doubt, people wearing cowboy hats, strumming on the guitar. We want an authentic Nashville country music experience, and fingers crossed we're going to get it later. On Broadway, Nashville.
Yeah, boy.
This is the main place in Nashville. Place to be. We've got a bit of time before we go see the show later, so we're going to check it out, get a couple of beers, see what happens. We're done in Nashville. We had a few drinks.
We're not done. We got more later.
Gas maybe. But now we're heading to the Grand Ole Opry, and I've got no clue what we're seeing, what we're doing. In fact, this is going to be a massive surprise. Big queues already.
I can tell y'all are real interested.
Probably came over the water from England.
I did indeed. Came over in a boat or something. Anyway, we hope you like this. We had a request to fill this request.
Free intermission show. We'll be back in
people
15
in there.
minutes. Second half.
It's been an emotional first half to the show. There's a few comments that maybe I don't agree with. It's a great place. I don't think we're going to make the second half of this show. It's really bad. Guys don't want to stay. Well, Grand Ole Opry. It was a pleasure. Ticked it off the list. I'm not sure I'll be back there ever again. Not my cup of tea.